guys, it's Liz. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. So it has actually been a while since I've sat down to film a video. I thought of starting like a there's something in my eye. Starting like a series, and in each video I would do something a little bit different because I don't really know much about makeup. I don't really do much. I don't really contour. I'm not really a guru. I don't really know how to do eyeshadow. So I thought, because I have all this makeup that I'm not using, and I thought it would just be, I have to use them, you know, I have to really use them before it gets to that expiring period and I can't really use them anymore. Basically I am gonna try and achieve a bold look today, a bold eyeshadow look, and also contour my face, conceal, and do all that jazz as well, because I do have concealers and I have to use them. So I hope there's someone out there like me that doesn't really know much about makeup and you know, will find this interesting, because I know that I hope I can help someone out there basically. And I've been watching makeup tutorials, like eyeshadow tutorials and stuff like that, and I've seen like very colorful eyeshadow looks, and I just thought, oh my gosh, I have to try one of these, because I've got very small eyes, like hooded eyes. Literally there's hardly any space to put anything. Sometimes it's just really like what a shame, you know what I mean? So but it's a challenge and I will try it. So watch this with me, go along with me. Hopefully this works out. We shall see. So I'm gonna get started now, because this video, I don't want this video to be too long, and let's go. So first things first, actually I'm gonna prime my face. Yes, I am priming. It's new. I've got the MAC Prep and Prime base. I think I need to get this hair out of my face actually. Next up, I'm going to prime my lid for my eyeshadow. I'm going to use the LA Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm just going to take this brush right here, the Avoni brush. I'm just going to, I hope I'm doing this right, but oh well. I'm going to set the concealer in place with the Nye Powder, Nye Banana Powder. I don't actually have one, so my sister gave me a little bit, and it's in this box right here. So I'm just gonna use my beauty blender. Alright, so I'm going into the first, or the small Nubian palette, and I'm going to pick this color that color right there as my transition shade. I think that's what it's called. Don't shade me, guys. Literally, I do not know what I'm talking about, but I am trying. So pop that on my crease. Oh, I'm using the it's my Ray brush in the number 6 brush. Next, I'm gonna go into the BH Cosmetic Blush Neutral Eyeshadow and Blush Palette. I'm gonna be taking that pink shade right there. This is the first time I'm actually using this palette since I bought it, so yeah. Like I said, I wanna do a bold look, so I'm just trying. I'm still using it's my Ray number 6 brush. Next up, I'm going into the Masquerade palette, and I'm going to pick the color Makeda, that one right there. I'm still gonna pop it on my crease. So this color is actually what is it called? It's glittery. Alright, so next up, I'm going back into the Masquerade palette, and I'm taking Adore, and I'm popping it in the outer corner of my, is it the outer corner? Yeah, I think that's it. You know, I sound like I know what I'm doing, but I do not know what I'm doing. But I think it's turning out alright. What do you think? Alright, next up I'm going into the with the Nubian 2 palette. I'm going to use the color Morocco. I feel like it's kind of the same color I just popped on my lid right now. And it's slightly different. So I'm just going to pop that right there. And then I'm going to go back into the Masquerade palette and I'm going to take the color Cairo. I'm not actually sure how to pronounce that. So what I'm going to do is, I think I actually want it on it. I don't know, just to make it pop more, because I felt like it wasn't really popping. I sound really funny. I really sound like I know what I'm doing. So I'm using the LA Girl concealer. And then I'm also gonna go in with Giza, still in the Masquerade palette. Let's hope this works. I think I might have just ruined it. I'm gonna go in with Adore again. I'm gonna go back to my crease. So I think that's it actually. I think I'm actually done. I kind of like the way it looks right now. It's not too bad. So yay, we're going great guys, we're going great. I want to try an attempt to do a wing, but I don't know if I should do it now or after I've done my foundation. Oh god, have mercy. But I'm going to use a tape because I don't have a steady hand. I have this Eva eyeliner or the Adore eyeliner. I'm not sure which one to use. I think I might go with that. Oof, pray for me guys. Okay. What's funny is I see this wing, it's so much better. Oh god. Oh. Guys, I think I'm gonna leave it because I might ruin it. Yay! I'm gonna just leave it like this. Guys, I know it doesn't look even. I know it's not the best wing, but why, man? This one looks so nice. Like it can literally cut someone. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna do my lashes, but I'm gonna go off camera and do it because I take forever. I'm using the Dassah lashes. It's actually my sister's lash line. Alright, I'm back literally 5 minutes later. That took me longer than not longer, that took me quicker than expected. So yeah, I've got the lashes on. It's a natural lash. It's looking really good guys. I am loving this eye look. We're gonna fix the lower lash later and put some eyeshadow on it and mascara and all that, but for now, and we're gonna fix the brow later, but for now we're gonna go into the face. I feel like, I know I primed my face earlier, but I feel like my face needs something just because. So I'm gonna go back with my MAC and Prep Prime bottle spray and I'm just gonna spray that on my face. And I'm going in with my Estee Lauder foundation in the shade Rich Chestnut. I absolutely love this foundation. I've used it like twice now. Alright, why isn't this pump working? Oh my god. That brow took me forever. I'm just going to take my brush. I'm going to wet it with the Fix Plus. It's locked. All right, finally done. So next up, we're going to contour. Oh, no, not contour. I think it's highlight. I think that's what it's called. Don't laugh at me, guys. I'm actually going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn as well. I can't believe I'm doing this, guys. Honestly, I can't believe it. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my damp beauty blender. I've already damped it before. I just damped one side. So we're gonna blend. Oh, it's cold.
In my 2 hands saying no thanks. Like anyway it goes, cause I know things they shouldn't have told me. Now I'm thinking what for? Hanging by a sentence at the drug.
So the Fenty Beauty Trio set, I've got the shade Espresso. So I'm gonna take that one. And then we're just gonna, I've seen people do this a lot and I've watched my sister's video as well, so.
Barely even steady at the front door. Hate my own shit, but
I'm gonna use my beauty blender.
I really love yours. 7 in the afternoon, half asleep, count the cars. All I think about is you, constantly, that's the heart.
Like I said earlier, I've got the Nye Banana Powder, so I'm gonna go in and use it to set the under eye. You know what? I'm actually just gonna buff it off right now. So I'm gonna use the It's My Ray Ray brush in the color, not color, in the number 2. Okay, my face is not looking too bad. I actually like it. My face feels dry right now. Like, dry. What next? Okay, so I'm gonna set the rest of my face with the MAC Studio Fix foundation. Not foundation, well, powder foundation in the color NW45. Now, I'm going to apply some colors under my eye. So I'm going to go back into the Masquerade palette and I'm going to take this tiny brush right here. And I'm going to go into Adore. And I'm just going to pop that at the bottom of my lip. I think I might go in with the purple color that I used before. It was Masquerade. So I'm going to go back in on there. Just a little bit. I didn't want to look like I was punched and then I ended up having a purple eye. I always do that. So next I'm gonna go back into Giza and I'm going to pop it in my inner corner, like the tear duct part. I'm gonna go into Adore and I'm gonna pop that on my cheek. I think I'm going to use the Jenkins Black Cup. Honestly, since I bought it in London last year or this year, I haven't used it. And I bought the color 2. So I'm going to take that one right there. I just spoke for like 10 minutes or whatever and I realized my camera wasn't recording. So basically I have done my brow, fixed it up, and I popped some highlighters on there, like as you can see. So now I'm gonna go onto the lips, and I've got the Colourpop lipsticks in the shade Faded, and I've also got the lip liner Revolution Duchess. So I'm going to use that to line my lips first. Whoa. Okay. I'm going to use another Colourpop lipsticks, and this is matte. It's Cami. And then I'm gonna go in with this Colourpop, the Ultra Glossy Lip. Okay. This is it. All right. So I'm going to set my face now with the MAC Fix Plus, MAC Prep and Prime. I forget what it's called. Oh. Alright guys, so this is the final look done. I absolutely love it. My face feels a bit weird, like I'm getting used to it, just because I feel like I have way too much makeup on my face, if you know what I mean. But I absolutely love the colors. Like it's definitely out there. Like I haven't, to be honest, I haven't done this color before. Like I not even properly like this. Like I reckon it's better than all my other eyeshadow. Honestly, comment down below what you think, but I think it's great. You know, just first time sitting down in front of the camera and trying this, it's not too bad. So yeah, I enjoyed filming this video. And then the eyeliner is the one thing that I actually love as well. Like granted, I used a tape, but it still came out okay. It's just the other side that wasn't too bad, that wasn't, you know, that didn't come out as nice as I expected. But everything went out good today. Okay, I'm really glad I got to do this. Hope this video is helpful for someone out there. You know, we just have to get out of a comfort zone every now and then and try new things, which is what I'm trying to do. Yeah, I absolutely love filming this. Comment down below if you have any other thing you want me to do. You know, it will be fun. I just want to try play with makeup and stuff. I've got them, so you know, why not use them? So yeah, I'm gonna think of what else I can do again. So I'm definitely going to continue with the series and just continue to try new things. But yeah, that's pretty much everything today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Please make sure your notification bell is turned on so you can get notified of when I upload a video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.